Find your edge with the Nautilus Performance Series T618 treadmill. It gives you the training programs, tracking tools, and comfort features you need to push your limits and hit your goals. The T618 lets you create and measure your own customized workouts with 26 unique training programs. For race training, the Nautilus Pacer has your back with real-time coaching. It tells you when you're on, above, or below the ideal pace to meet your goal. The T618 even measures your endurance capacity and gives you a fitness score at the end of your workout. Looking to measure your results against your goals? No problem. The T618 is designed with integrated Bluetooth technology, so your workout data syncs seamlessly with the Nautilus Trainer app, as well as our connected partners. Track your progress week by week, earn awards, and share your results online. Nautilus is partnered with the ultimate mixed reality training app, Run Social. Travel the world while you train with the amazing new digital fitness experience that lets you explore short and long courses all around the globe. Just choose and download the course you want. Create an event and invite friends. Join an existing event or take a solo tour through breathtaking scenery without ever stepping outside. The T618 is geared towards your comfort and convenience, with features like our exclusive rebound cushioning deck, which minimizes stride impact while maximizing kickoff. Speed and incline controls integrated right into the handrails, so you can adjust them without slowing down. And a built-in USB charging port to keep your battery full while you work out. Plus, a 3.5 CHP motor, 2.75-inch rollers, a 20-by-60-inch gym-quality running path, telemetry-enabled heart rate monitoring with wireless chest strap or grip sensors, premium in-console speakers, and a 3-speed fan. All of which adds up to a treadmill that delivers the performance results you want and the connected metrics you need to hit your goals. That's Nautilus Training.
Keeping fit and staying connected with your home fitness progress has never been easier with the SFT7705 treadmill with auto incline. The hydraulic soft drop system makes unfolding easy and safe. Seamless interaction with the Sunny Health and Fitness app for iPhone and Android. Simply connect your device to the treadmill and go. Real-time results and tracking are displayed and stored during and after your workout. Multi-display digital console shows and tracks all of your workout progress. Nine built-in workouts, preset buttons to quickly change your speed and incline, integrated device holder to securely place your phone or tablet. Treadmill deck provides ample space to run fast or go slow. Shock absorption technology makes walking or running softer on the joints. Enhanced handrails have integrated speed and incline control buttons with pulse sensors to estimate your current heart rate. Powerful motor can get the job done by reaching a top speed of 9 miles per hour. Stay hydrated and cool with 2 oversized bottle holders. Once you're done with your workout, see your training results by viewing your workout history. If you are done, this foldable treadmill can be folded and moved with the integrated transportation wheels. Start connecting and tracking your fitness to reach your goals today. The SFT7705 treadmill with auto incline will help get you.
How fast can you run? How far can you go? What will it take to reach your fitness goals? At Soul Fitness, we ask these questions every day. Because at Soul, we believe that the quality of the equipment affects the quality of the workout. So our engineers and designers constantly improve on timeless design to provide a complete treadmill line that has received consistent Best Buy reviews from consumers and review agencies alike over the past decade. To get started, simply pull the lever and the Easy Assist folding deck safely lowers in 2 stages, gently coming down from a secured upright position until it firmly rests on the floor. We've designed our treadmill with a double horseshoe frame for stability, and we've added oversized rollers and durable 2-ply belts to give them an unparalleled smooth feeling and longevity. And to provide plenty of running room, we've made the decks wider and longer for a safe and comfortable exercise area. Additionally, the Cushion Flex suspension system decreases the impact of the run by up to 40% on your joints. This system, coupled with our Whisper Deck, makes for a comfortable and quiet workout. And with a more powerful motor, you can keep your workout going strong. At Soul, we've focused on the details, like a more informative LCD screen, which clearly displays the stats of your workout. Our treadmills also have convenient, easy-to-reach buttons with speed and incline adjustments right on the handrails to give you control where you need it during your workout, allowing you to adjust your speed up to 12 miles per hour and your incline up to 15%. And while running on incline, you can track your vertical feet climbed, in addition to speed and distance. It's extra motivation to keep you running further and climbing higher. All of our treadmills include audio inputs and integrated speakers, so you can listen to whatever music you choose while you exercise. Soul Fitness builds the finest treadmills available. We stand behind our treadmills with a lifetime warranty on the frame and motor, with additional warranties on the deck, electronics, and up to 2 years of labor. Soul treadmills provide unmatched value, quality, and longevity.
Luxury meets performance with the pink Asuna SpaceFlex motorized folding treadmill. Supporting up to 220 pounds, the roomy treadmill deck is equipped with shock absorption technology that reduces the impact on your joints. Test your limits by dashing up to 8 miles per hour with the quick select buttons on the low-profile treadmill. Engage your thighs, hamstrings, glutes, and calves when you push yourself up 12 levels of automatic incline. Stay safe with the emergency stop clip as you check your heart rate instantly with the easily accessible pulse sensors. Then glance at the 6 bright LED screens that display your important workout data. Or control your in-workout media by plugging in via auxiliary cord or USB port for charging to listen to your favorite music via LED-lit speakers. Maintain a steady stride with the adjustable floor stabilizers. Then hop off onto the safety rails when you're finished. Transportation wheels and a foldable design make storage effortless. Work out in style with the pink Asuna SpaceFlex motorized fold.
The 3G Cardio Elite Runner Treadmill combines all the best features from the Health Club. A club-rated 4.0 horsepower motor and 386 pounds of muscle under your feet provides years of amazing running sessions on a 3G cardio treadmill in the privacy of your own home. Your Elite Runner Treadmill motor comes with a lifetime warranty that provides peace of mind to go along with all that power. Get fit faster with an amazing incline motor that provides a tough workout. Feel the burn as you climb your way to a more healthy you. With an upgraded commercial Ortho Flex Shock suspension system and an oversized 22-inch by 62-inch running platform, the Elite platform and belt provides an amazing workout experience. 3G Cardio orthopedic treadmill belts are thicker and more comfortable to exercise on than most other top-rated models from competitors. An orthopedic treadmill belt cushions the impact when the foot strikes to reduce shock, giving you a great workout with less wear and tear on your body than with traditional belts. Simple and effective is the 3G Cardio motto. You will have all the necessary built-in programs you need and nothing you don't. With several pre-programmed courses, fitness tests, one-touch speed and elevation settings, heart rate control, and the ability to custom create your own workouts, you'll never become bored or overwhelmed when it comes to your programming options. Built-in speakers provide music enjoyment during your workout. The multi-speed fan keeps you cool, too. You can even connect your tablet or mobile phone and enjoy surround sound speakers while you enjoy the latest TV episode or movie. Whether you're a casual walker or an avid runner, the 3G Cardio Elite Runner Treadmill has you covered. The drive motor and frame are guaranteed for the lifetime of the treadmill, while parts are covered for 10 years and labor is free for 2 years. Bring the health club home today. You can have amazing gym quality workouts in the comfort of your own home with the Elite Runner Treadmill from 3G Cardio.
Hi, man. Let's go run together. Let's go, boy. I'm ready.
Okay, let's run.